Alright, so just changing an automatic transmission fluid in this TCM forklift. It's pretty straightforward. They're on the side of the transmission, on what we would call like the driver's side of the car, there are two 10mm plugs. The one that's rearward is the drain for the transmission pan. The forward one is for testing line pressure. So all you do is put a drain pan under there, take the plug out, and more than likely you're going to make a mess. There's not a lot of workspace in there. And then there's like a mesh screen inside the transmission that's inaccessible. You would have to take it apart to get to it. So what I did was I just dumped a couple liters of transmission fluid in through the filler slash dipstick. It's just a press fit stick. And then you use Dextron 3 transmission fluid. And it's 2006 and earlier fluid that you're going to be using. So Dextron continued to use this name past Dextron 3, and it's not compatible all the way up. So you don't want to use the newer stuff in this machine. You probably ruin the transmission. And so this is the dipstick here. It's just a plastic plug. You jam in there and you can check the fluid. And I don't know if you check it with it running or stopped. I can't really tell you that. So you probably just want to check it before you start. Make a note of where it is, and then put it back to where you found it. And I'll try to find out in the manual, and I'll make a note in the description if I could figure something out. So that's really all I'm going to show you for this. Other than when you're changing that filter there, you'll want to use some cleaner and just hose off the area so you don't get any fluid in. So I guess we'll show you that with the filter changed, and then we'll be done. Alright, as promised, so that's the changed oil filter there. So as you can see, I kind of just tried to clean this off as best I could with some brake cleaner and wipe it off, so you can get that filter on there without making a mess. So that's pretty much the end of the video. Like I said, I'll mention the fluid checking method in the description for the video. So thank you for watching.